Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 11th of July. I'm James Spann, Alabama's weather, featuring a few scattered showers and thunderstorms today, mainly across the southern half of the state, North Alabama in a drier air mass. Let's go right to the upper air look. We typically start with this, and you can see the core of the upper high is located off to the west, parts of the central and southwest United States where they're baking. Around here, we have a light northerly flow aloft. Check the visible satellite view this afternoon. And again, the sky is mostly sunny for the northern half of the state. The bulk of the scattered showers and thunderstorms are south of US 80, south of a line from near Demopolis to Selma to Montgomery to Opelika. That was the radar composite around 2:15 this afternoon. The more concentrated storms down across the southeastern counties of the state, down toward Interstate 10 and the Florida Panhandle. Temperatures cooler on the eastern side of the state. These are at 2:15. Look at Gadsden, 82, Anniston, 83. That's about 10 degrees below average. We'll take that, but we've got some low 90s over on the western side. Tuscaloosa, 92. And around the region, again, the cooler values off to the east. Atlanta, only at 81 degrees today. There's the watch warning map here across the southeastern states. Things are quiet. We have excessive heat issues for parts of Texas today, closer to the upper high. We'll check the severe weather outlook. This is for the rest of today and tonight. We have a risk of severe storms north of here from Kansas up toward the Great Lakes. This is tomorrow, day 2, a marginal risk extending from West Virginia on up into New England. They've got a slight risk up in the northeast United States. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, a little marginal risk extending into parts of North Alabama, about the northern half of the state. Some of the storms on Wednesday where they form could produce strong straight-line winds. Check the rain for the next 7 days. The heavier values are near the Gulf Coast. And again, if you look at this map and if you've got a beach trip coming up, there's no need to panic, but understand there will be enhanced coverage of scattered showers and storms each day for the next 5 days because of a trough in the northern Gulf. But understand the sun's going to be out at times. Not a washout, but it will rain from time to time. The amounts vary from about a quarter inch up in the shoals to near 5 inches down around Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, and over into the Florida Panhandle. Let's talk about the tropics. This is the main buzz today. There's the big picture, and really most of the Atlantic Basin just terribly quiet. But in the 5-day outlook, the Hurricane Center has the Northern Gulf headline with only a low chance of development. By low chance, that's 30% of becoming a depression or storm over the next 5 days. An old frontal boundary evolving into a trough, a broad trough over the Northern Gulf. This is the probabilistic outlook from the European Global Model, which is probably the best way to look at this. And you can see the chance of this becoming a depression is 20% or less at this point in the Northern Gulf. But it could feed some deeper moisture, some higher precipitable water values up this way with a higher coverage of showers and thunderstorms, maybe statewide, later in the week. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Again, the core of the heat is off to the west, but we'll probably exceed 90 tomorrow. And again, for the northern half of the state, the day looks dry, scattered showers and thunderstorms over South Alabama. We'll go to Wednesday, and again, moisture begins to feed northward. The high Wednesday will be close to 90. And this is Thursday. That deeper moisture continues to feed north. So on Thursday, we'll probably see a sharp increase in the number of showers and storms. Still not raining all day, still not raining everywhere, but a pretty good chance of seeing some rain at times. Highs will drop back in the 80s. This is Friday, same thing, a pretty deep pool of moisture in place, and that's going to be the case for the weekend. And as you look at this, and this is Saturday, and this is Sunday, it will not rain all weekend long, but occasional showers, a good possibility, maybe a thunderstorm or two. And the good news, highs most likely will be in the 80s over the weekend. Very manageable for this time of the year. This is a week from today, Monday the 18th. Little trough in place here. Nice to see a trough instead of a ridge in summertime. And again, a very moist air mass in place. So really after about from Wednesday on, we could see an increase in the number of showers and storms statewide. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, July the 21st. That 594 ring is centered right across the heartland. Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, and Missouri. And most likely that's where the most intense heat will be found. But for us, that looks pretty typical. Hot, muggy, a few pop-up storms in the afternoon. Check the rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the GFS ensemble, and there's a big spread here. I mean, a big spread in the members because of the uncertainty involved in the placement of the deeper moisture, but the mean is what you're looking for, that green line. The mean running about 3 inches over the next 15 days. Check the numbers coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. Got 94 tomorrow, and that might be the hottest day of the next 10 days. And you can see numbers drop back in the 80s by Thursday, Friday, and the weekend, and that's certainly manageable. In the latest 8 to 14-day guidance in the House, this is for the period July 18th through July 24th. The core of the heat north and west of here, out across the heartland, but temperatures could possibly creep back to above average levels a little later this month. So that is it for the afternoon weather briefing video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to this, I do these weekdays, typically at 5:30 a.m. and about 2:30 p.m. We have notes on our blog, AlabamaWX.com. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.